Revolut didn't start in a bank. It started on a laptop, in a shared workspace, with a mission to break them. Banks were slow, bloated, and full of fees. Revolut promised speed, simplicity, and control. Not a bank branch inside just an app. It launched in 2015 as a simple travel card. Instant currency exchange with no hidden charges. And that little feature cracked open the entire banking system. Because travelers hated FX fees, Revolut eliminated them. Suddenly, it wasn't just a card, it was a movement. Early users spread the word like wildfire. The interface was sleek, the experience was instant, and it didn't feel like banking. It felt like freedom. No paper, no queues, no nonsense. Just opened your phone and your money followed. While banks needed offices and managers, Revolut just needed code. Then came budgeting tools, crypto wallets, commodities, vaults. It evolved from a travel hack into a full-fledged financial hub. Every update removed one more reason to go back to a traditional bank. Because why would you? With Revolut, your account was global. Send, spend, split across borders instantly. And as the features grew, so did the ambition. Revolut wasn't trying to be the next PayPal. It was building the Amazon of finance. And it didn't ask for permission. Regulators, skeptics, legacy institutions. Revolut just kept shipping. It scaled from London to Europe, Asia, the US, tens of millions of users in under a decade, all without a single physical branch. They called it a new, but it behaved more like a tech company. Fast, iterative, data-driven, and it played offense. Traditional banks were still mailing statements. Revolut was launching stock trading in your pocket. It used design as a weapon. And fees, it destroyed them. Monthly plans replaced surprise charges. Users knew exactly what they paid and why. That transparency built loyalty. Because Revolut spoke the language of a new generation. It didn't sell products. It solved frustrations. It told customers, you deserve better. And people listened, especially digital nomads, remote workers, freelancers. They didn't need a building with marble floors. They needed speed, security, and global access. And that's what Revolut delivered. Then it added cards for kids, business accounts, payroll, crypto rewards. It became banking infrastructure without the bank legacy. While traditional institutions debated innovation, Revolut was pushing updates every week. Every feature launch felt like a product drop. And the users, they weren't just customers, they were fans. But Revolut wasn't without controversy. Some questioned its work culture. Others worried about regulation. Could a company this fast be trusted with something as fragile as money? But Revolut kept growing because it understood something banks had forgotten. User experience is everything, and Revolut made banking feel like using Spotify. Simple, beautiful, addictive. Now it's eyeing banking, license, insurance, lending. It wants to be your financial operating system, and it's not stopping at borders. Because money is global and Revolut is built for that world. It doesn't look like a bank. It doesn't sound like a bank. But in many places, it's replaced the bank. From travel to trading, from saving to sending, from budgeting to borrowing, all in your palm. That's the Revolut revolution. Not by fighting the old, but by building something radically better. It didn't disrupt banks. It made them look obsolete. No branches, no tellers, no friction. Just one app and all your money working for you. The rise of Revolut isn't just a startup story. It's a blueprint for how finance is being rewritten. Fast, frictionless, digital. And the craziest part, they're just getting started. The bank of the future might not be a bank at all. It might be, and it already lives in your pocket.